Hey, third grade. Okay, so before we move on to the next part of what you're going to be learning, I wanted to go over it a little bit. So when we're talking about quadrilaterals, because this lesson's all about deciding if a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So that's a lot of big words. First, we need to know what those mean. A quadrilateral is a four-sided shape. So any four-sided shape, okay? A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides. And so you've got to know a couple things. You've got to know what the quadrilateral is. Quad means four, so four sides. Okay. You have to know what a parallelogram is, but in order to really understand what a parallelogram is, you have to go back to when we were talking about lines, and you have to know that parallel lines are the ones that go straight up, or they can go in any direction, but they're the lines that will never ever cross, okay? They'll just go on and on and on, directly across from each other, and they're not going to intersect, they're not going to cross, they're never going to meet, all right? So we talk about, like, there's parallel roads, there's any kind of parallel line. So looking here on the screen, it asks us, is this quadrilateral a parallelogram? Okay, and you have to choose yes or no. So we've got to review again. Quadrilateral, four-sided shape. Is it a four-sided shape? Yeah, we have one side, two side, three side, four sides. Okay, so there's four sides. Then we have to think, is it a parallelogram? So remembering that a parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides. So this one's telling us, this is the example problem, two sides of a shape are parallel if the lines placed along them never cross. So these blue ones right here, they're never ever going to cross. This one right here, these purple ones, if this line on this shape continues going this way, and this line continues going this way, eventually they will meet. Sorry about my cat here. Okay, and same with these. They don't show it on this particular one, but if this line kept going and going and going, and this line kept going and going and going, they would meet. Okay, so not parallel. We would call those intersecting. Okay, in a quadrilateral, parallel sides must be opposite sides. This means they do not share a vertex. So they're showing us here that your sides, or opposite sides, have to be across from each other, basically. And that they aren't going to meet right here. They are not going to share that meeting point or a vertex. Okay. So to see if the quadrilateral is a parallelogram, look at its opposite sides. See if they are parallel. A quadrilateral has two pairs of opposite sides. It's not enough just to have one set of parallel lines. It must have two. All right. Of opposite sides. It gets confusing with all the terminology, I know. Okay, so quadrilateral has two pairs of opposite sides. So we have one pair of opposite sides right here, and one pair right here. Okay, so we know it is a quadrilateral, but the question is it a parallelogram? So it says, imagine lines placed along the first pair of sides. Okay, so imagine them right here. And when we're doing this in class, I typically will have you draw them out, like extend those line segments so you can kind of see if they're going to meet or if they're not going to meet. And you can practice that at home as well. So in this one, it says the lines never cross. So these sides are parallel. They will just continue going on and on and on, and they're never going to meet. Okay, but then it says, now imagine lines placed along the second pair of sides. These lines never cross either. So these sides are also parallel. The quadrilateral has two pairs of parallel sides, so it is a parallelogram.